we go on an overland adventure in a Jeep that's old enough to drink.
Dude, this thing's old enough to fucking collect AARP.
Might as well grab a little bit of content while we're here, right?
Do it. Good thing we got a saw in the back.
The steadiest arm on the internet.
It's all this 1992 Jeep Cherokee suspension helping out.
Yeah, I think it's all this soft ass seat. It's taking all it's like double, it's like those bus seats. Oh!
What was that?
The fucking windshield wiper out of my view. What is wrong? I forgot how nice that house was. Thought that was gonna be. Whoa! Get some scratches.
This thing's narrow.
It is actually. This is like narrow. This is like a little side by side.
Wider. When I had it on the trailer the other day, the four-wheeler literally pokes out to your side. I think this is where it gets real. I got the chainsaw this week so it can cut down. Have you seen it back here?
Just that one
Recently?
picture you sent me.
Dude, it's a fucking wasteland. There's a jump right there.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's fucking disgusting back here. Can we go down around the bottom? That'd be pretty exciting.
Fucking flip it.
This is so Jeepy.
Okay, now this is getting a little tight.
Right at the 3-point.
I think it's definitely got the. We got the bumpers.
Oh, we got it.
Oh man, I don't know, man. That's tight. Can I fold the mirrors in?
They'll fold themselves.
Oh, it's got those auto mirrors.